Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super helpful trick for sharing your Wix website without publishing it. This is the perfect solution if you need someone, maybe a client, a colleague, or even just a friend, to review your work and give feedback before you actually make the site public. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to share your site privately, gather comments, and keep everything under wraps until you're ready to launch. Let's jump right in. So you're in Wix Studio, and your site is coming together nicely, but you're not quite ready to hit publish. Maybe you want a few fresh eyes on it, or you need client approval before going live. Here's what you do. First, head over to the menu in Wix Studio. You'll usually find this in the upper left corner. Sometimes, with all the options laid out, it's easy to get overwhelmed, but don't worry. Just look for the Site tab. This is your hub for all site-related actions. Once you're in the Site section, you'll spot an option called Get Client Feedback. This feature is fantastic because it's specifically designed for sharing your site with others, even if they don't have a Wix account. By clicking Get Client Feedback, Wix generates a special version of your site, one that's safe to share and won't show up to the public or mess with your official website. Think of it like letting someone peek behind the curtain before the grand reveal. After you click that button, Wix will create a shareable link. This link is pure gold. It lets your recipients view the site just as you see it in the editor, but with the added bonus that they can drop comments wherever needed. And here's the best part. They don't need to create a Wix account or log in. Just click and view. This is especially handy if your client isn't exactly tech-savvy, or if you're working with a busy team that doesn't want the hassle of extra steps. Now, when you're ready to send the link out, you'll have the option to add a short message. This might seem minor, but I always recommend including a personal note. It could be a simple, "Let me know what you think," or you could highlight specific areas you'd like feedback on. A friendly message not only explains why you're sharing the link, but also sets the stage for constructive comments. Plus, it makes your recipient feel appreciated and more likely to engage. Once your message is set, Wix will hand you the actual link. Take a moment to copy it carefully. No need to rush here. Just double-check you've got the entire link selected before you hit copy. If you're anything like me and juggling lots of tabs, it's easy to accidentally miss a character when copying, so always good to be sure. Now you can paste and send it to anyone. Email, chat, even text message. There's no limit to who you can share it with, and there's no risk of exposing your unfinished site to the world. When your client or recipient clicks the link, they'll be able to look around, leave comments, and help you spot anything that could benefit from a tweak. Maybe they'll find a typo, suggest a new photo, or give feedback on layout or colors. In other words, you get to collect all the input you need, but the site stays private until you give the final green light and publish. And that's all there is to it. Simple, secure, and no pressure to go public before you're absolutely ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Wix or site sharing. I always love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and tips on building better websites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.